Hi guys, so today we will talk about Facebook ads, but this will be quite unique because we will incorporate your automation tools and your Facebook ads. And yeah, so let's dive in here. So basically the flow is we will, once there's already a conversion from our Facebook ads, we will target, or we can do a follow-up sales pitch and campaign to our automation tools. And the automation tools I'm gonna use is manychat. So if you don't have an account on that, it's free. Feel free to use my link description below to sign up. It's totally free, but if you upgrade to a paid version, if I approve the affiliate link, then I should able to receive a commission when you sign up. It's not a mandatory to use my affiliate link, but yeah, if you want to support my channel, feel free to use it. And yeah, anyway, so this will be the scenario. So I have current running ads right now. So I already got, when you check here, I already have one conversion after I run the ads. Like I just run it this 2:36 a.m. and we're ready in 5, so basically 3 hours ago. So I have one leads, and someone shared my ads as well. So if you want to see my ads, it's in an e-commerce thing. So yeah, this is my ads. It's actually like a prompt pregnancy test. So I'm targeting in relationship women, all women that is an active shoppers. And yeah, there are some few logics I've added as well. So yeah, so this is basically my ads. And then I've got, yeah, I don't want to just continue it. So that is my ads, and it's currently running. Now, since I already have an inquiry, I need to set up the automation welcome email. So if someone inquire from my fan to my fan page, that makes you confused. So if someone inquire to my fan page from these ads, they will receive a welcome email. So you need to sign up to manychats and connect your fan page. And in this area, you will see something called automation. So go to the welcome message and you can come up with an email. So in this area, if I edit this workflow, this part, so basically you can add, like if you want to add an image, you just need to drag those elements. And on my example, I have an image and I do also have a text image. So this email is just, since this ads is super direct, like if they want to order, then message us. So my welcome email as well is super straightforward. So if they are interested to purchase, then they can send the money and the following bank account, and once completed, they need to attach the receipt and provide their provide their shipping information so we can ship the products. And this will work on those maybe if you are just starting out, or you don't have a WordPress website yet, you're not ready to invest for a website, then this will be a good starting point. So you need to set up your welcome email, welcome message there, and let's hit the publish. Okay, now go to the, so we already have a welcome email. We've already set a welcome email, and this welcome email targeting the new customers from our ads. Now the other thing that we're gonna do is we need to, I'm gonna broadcast another on sale campaign to those existing leads. So we've run an ads before this one, and there are some few leads that did not convert. So they've inquired to our fan page, but they did not pursue purchasing our product. So I'm gonna target them. And to do that, you can go to the broadcasting section and then create a new broadcast, and you can choose what kind of broadcasting you want. But if you're running a free version, Messenger is only the available option. And yeah, feel free to subscribe to Pro if you want it. So I'm only using free version right now. So select the Messenger, and still the same with the automation. You need to like drag some elements there, and like if you want to put an audio, so it's really straightforward, just feel free to use the elements. And this part is for Pro version. So I'm gonna open my my existing broadcasting so you can see it. So this is my existing broadcasting message. So this campaign, this message is also straightforward. So basically my product costs 699 pesos, that is $14. So I downgrade it to I downgrade that to $399, which is I think $8. So this is like a retargeting campaign. So it's an on sale campaign, and I want to retarget those people that did not convert. They did not purchase to the 699 campaign. So to do that, you need to go to the broadcasting area, this part, and create a broadcasting message. And now since I already have a broadcasting message here, I will configure the settings. So click that settings, and then you need to ask what kind of content type you want. And I've selected the non-promotional because I don't want, so in this another goal we have is I want to exclude existing customer. So I don't want them to receive an email about the $399 because they purchased the $699 product. So I don't want them to receive this on sale offer. So that's why I need to set that into non-promotional, because message tags can be applied. So to do that, you need to go to the audience first, and you need to search for who is your existing and who is your customers. So let's type in, for example, I think Bernadette purchased on this product as well, and I haven't, yeah, I tagged her here as customer. Or you can actually even do more tailored name, or more defined name, like PT, which is pregnancy test customer, something like that, if you are running a lot of products. So but this fan page is purely just I am only selling one product, so I just use customer. So I don't want her to receive the $8 offer because she purchased the $14 offer. So I tag her as a customer tags, and then go back to the broadcasting and go to the settings area, and then in this part, which is called targeting, you need to provide some conditions. Now this part is I've configured, let me just remove this one so you can see. So you need to set a condition. Now I'm gonna set a condition called interaction. So last interaction. So I want to target those people who interacted with me before July 26th. So before July 26th, and then I will add another condition. So I also want to target those people that isn't a customer. So basically all tags that are customers will not fall in this logic, which means they will not receive this offer, this downgrade offer. Now you can also set like a schedule if you don't let, for example, right now it's super early on our time. It's still 5:54 a.m. So I don't want them to I don't want to send in bulk. So I will set a schedule for that, and let's set this, I think 10 a.m. would be perfect. So 10 a.m. and this one. By the way, if you can afford to create a website for your e-commerce site, I really recommend to use a website so you can install a pixel and you can tailor your audience as possible. But this is like I mean it's not on my budget right now to purchase an e-commerce website and configure an e-commerce website, so I leave that as is for now, and maybe if the products is generating well, then I can purchase a website for this fan page. So that's it. You need to schedule the broadcast and then click the scheduled message and go back. So basically this person who haven't purchased to me, who only inquired to my products, will receive the $3.99 offer or the $8 offer. And currently I think I have I only have one inquiry at the moment. So when you are running an ads, in first ads, you can try your first ads for 24/7, so you can see like which time is performing well. And yeah, so I hope this helps, and let me know if you have any questions about manychats and Facebook ads. I'll try to create more tutorials on Facebook ads, because I've seen that most of the requested videos is Facebook ads and Google AdSense. So yeah, I hope this has been helpful. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification if you want to receive new videos from me. And by the way, there are some elements, or there are some information that I might forgot in this video, so make sure you check my blog version, because I'm gonna create a blog version on this video, so you have a detailed guide, and so I can also put more information, because for sure I miss some information in this video. So make sure you check those, you check my blog, because it's more detailed and it has more information than this video. And that's it for today, guys. See you in the next video. Have a great day.